Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create lists on OfferUp. Now this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to create shopping lists or birthday party lists for an individual, and you happen to be getting the items from OfferUp. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what we're first going to do is that we're going to go into our OfferUp app. And then next, what you're going to do from here is that on the upper right-hand corner, you want to click on your profile image. From here, you want to click on Saved Item underneath Saves. And then from here, you can create a list. So we're going to click on Create List. And we'll name this list Birthday List. So we'll name this list Birthday List. And as you can see, we've now created a list. Now, if we go back and start shopping around OfferUp, we can click on certain items. And let's take this item here, for example. On the upper right-hand corner, you can click on the heart icon. And then you could actually go ahead and add it to a list. So if we click on Birthday List, we've now added this item to our birthday list. Now if we go back and click on our profile icon again, and then we click on our saved items, and then click on our birthday list, you'll see a list of items that you've added to this list. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and create lists on OfferUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next